Hi there, this is Siddhant Bandari and you are watching Made in India channel where we design and print in 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension with imagination. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and raise the bell icon to remain notified about our latest updates. So what we have today here is a half-life table or a magic table you can say. The reason why I say this is a half-life table is just because this part here is the logo of the game Half-Life. So if you have not played, then just play it. It's a very interesting game. And the reason why I call this as a magic table is that it looks like it is magically floating on air. However, it doesn't do so because there is no magic, everything is science. It looks like it is magically floating on air just because it uses the principle that differs from the normal table that we use. I will explain that to you later after I make this build. After printing, these are the simple parts that are required. Actually, these both are two separate parts. I have joined them together to make a single assembly. After this, let's spin them up. So let us now quickly make the assembly, and after that I will explain you how this thing works. For assembling this, what we need is just some strings. You can use any types of strings. I am using a normal sewing string. Now you need to adjust your height. You can adjust your height to whatever size you want the table to be. I will approximately make this table to this much height. So let's now cut the strings and build the table. So after years of struggle, finally I have succeeded in making this. Let me now explain you how this thing works. So the thing over here uses tensile as well as compressive forces. Normal chairs which we use here in the home or the tables which we use uses only compressive forces. So if you see here, the all magic is done by this Y shaped, which I call as a half-life symbol. It is just this thing, string, that holds the entire table in place. So when you put force on the table from outside, the three strings here gives the necessary structural force, and the one string here gives the necessary tensile force, and that's the reason why this table looks like it is floating on air. Well, I am going to arrange this table on my PC top and put my Ganesh idol over it. Looks interesting, isn't it? So if you like this arrangement, then comment down your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. So if you like this video, then please share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Jai Hind.